Hi, welcome. We were playing with the gaps and we've made a video about it. How about something else? Inside ArcoDWM, this particular file, we need to open that one. And what we did in the other video was change this, the gap. The border pixels, I don't think that deserves even a video. The only thing you have to change is the number, and this line here will become bigger. So it's okay. It's 2 now, right? We can have the show this system tray. We can have this on or off if we want to. Show the bar, so top bar. But let's do something, I don't know. All kind of colors, gray, bar alpha. What would be the next thing people would like to do? Let's see what color this is. Is this the color we use as our standard color? Might be. Right. So this is our ArcoLinux color. The blue from ArcoLinux. What if? What if? I would like that to be a reddish, dark reddish kind of thing. Then I have another color, another hexadecimal color instead of this guy. Doesn't matter if it's called cyan or not, so it's that color that I'm changing. Control save. Okay, and now you go inside the folder, inside config, DWM, run this thing, make this thing, build this thing, make, sudo make install. Exit from this particular application, and there are 2 things we've changed: border and a color. We get this. Border is like this, and on top, well, it's okay. You can still read the text because that's the most important thing, of course. Against white, something white in the background, you'll have more difficulty to read it, but it's actually not that bad. And this is rising, right? This is theming. This is figuring out what should I do, well, how should I change it. And let's stop the video here, because there are other elements, of course, we can change. But this, let's end in that particular screenshot here, where we're talking about 2 things. That's it. We changed this line and the color. And how, well, the easiest way to do that, to show what's changed, is compare. Again, guys, use meld. Super easy. Okay, so from 1 to 2, from this color to that color. That's it. That's all it took. And already we have a quite different look in DWM. All right, have fun.